So, I am going to explain very easy method to keep in mind this disposal account. So, if this is your disposal account, children, I am going to tell the small easy method, right? We can keep in mind cap. The cap method we can apply here. There is no such method, children, but keep in mind cap, right? So, cap means here cost, right? Here cost, and A means accumulated depreciation. A means accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation and again provision for depreciation, both are same, right? And here P means selling price, and here P means selling price, right? So, cap CAP, C means cost, you need to write the original purchased amount, cost value, and again A means accumulated depreciation.